here having a lovely Father's Day by the pool, the grill, like we always do. Here's some beautiful steaks, some drumsticks, some pork chops, some chicken, delicious barbecue, tenders. Yes, soon I'm going to be pulling off these drumsticks because they're pretty much ready. And them steaks are for me and mama. We have some hot dogs over here, which I made. Right here, hot dogs, and we have one burger left.
This is the Easy Austin channel, as she said before. So Chef Benz, can you explain what happened when I got here with the fire and all?
When you got here, there was a humongous smoke going on, and you had no idea what was happening.
I didn't.
So there was so much smoke coming from the grill, so when we go and look, there was a big fire down there, look, down below. Underneath, there was a fire, it was like a grease fire going on. And so DJ Deb starts, because that's what she does best, is scream. Whether it's a water bug or a fire, she screams. And so I'm freaking out because we have a propane tank here. So I'm like, trying to blow it out. Obviously that doesn't work. And then I wanted to shut off the propane, but it's so damn hot, the flames, you know, I don't want to burn myself. But anyway, I wound up shutting all the burners down, so the fire started going down, and I kept blowing from underneath. I wound up eventually shutting off the propane tank, thank God. But the fire went down and went away, and we all survived, and here we are living happily ever after. So I'm warming up these chickens for DJ Dad. And these, I'm going to start pulling them off. Let's pull the small ones off first. Drumsticks are ready, people. I should have brought my bullhorn so I can put on the siren and then be like, drumsticks already, people. Anybody want some chicken? Drumsticks already. Can I get a hello there? Oops. I was biting that from one of my favorite YouTubers. I will not mention his name. No, it's not Tommy. It's another guy. Ralph Smart. Check him out. His page is called Infinite Waters Diving Deep. Yes. Well, just Infinite Waters. Yeah. He's like a spiritual guy. He's a psychologist. He talks about nature and eating healthy and all types of good stuff. Oh, but you can't forget, subscribe to the Easy Austin channel, where you will watch stuff about games, motorcycles, cooking, and all that. What I'm doing Easy Austin is I'm making separate channels. Like my motorcycle videos are going to be on my motorcycle channel. I created a video game channel. It's called All for the Game. I don't know if I told you about it yet.
Oh, you haven't?
I bought me a capture card. I'm going to lend it to you today so you can try it out. You know the OBS? Oh, you got a tiny spider on your helmet. I mean on your hat. You saw that?
I did not.
I said on your helmet. It's a little spider. He made a little web and then he climbed back on top and then he made a little web again and I pulled it off. I'm gonna lend you my capture card. You know the program called OBS?
Yeah.
It's a broadcasting thing. Okay, you gotta go on there. Like I got it to do it where I saw the screen, but I couldn't get sound off of it. And then in order to stream a live, I had to wait 24 hours. So the next day I haven't tried it yet. I want to try it. When we leave here, I want you to come to my house, okay?
Okay.
She want barbecue sauce, so we gonna give a Sweet Baby Ray's. Woohoo! I got Sweet Baby Ray's in my house too. You don't know how to say it? You say Sweet Baby Ray's. Delicious. Alright, so here's Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Get a good look at that sauce. Yum. You take it and you lay them here. Ooh, yeah. Sweet Baby Ray's sauce. Do you got a knife, young lady? Yes, I have a knife and a fork right here waiting for you. Fork her. Come on, let's take it. Wait, is there more barbecue? I put barbecue on it. Oh, sorry, Mr. Easy Austin. Thank you. You gotta be careful with your recording. He's gonna watch you eat Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
Like, where's the camera all the way in my face, bro?
You wanna see how you like it? Oh, look. Say,
I do like it, because it came from the net. They don't want who seasoned it.
She's the one who seasoned it. Alright. It's time for me to get mine. I'm gonna set mine in the plate so it'll cool off. I mean in the aluminum pan so it doesn't make a hole in my plate. And I want to see too if it's cooked inside. Ooh, yeah, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. I'm gonna cut it in half and see how it's looking.
I might actually get in the pool because of how hot it is. But my backpack is inside, so I'm probably gonna change in a little bit. And then we'll probably have a pool swim day. Like everyone else is doing.
I'm eating my my steak.
In order to make a new
My
one,
corn.
you need to plant an old one.
What? And one piece of grass.
Every
not
single
grass.
piece of lettuce has the same DNA.
It is grass.
No, it's not. Grass tastes different.
Listen, you eat grass? Oh my gosh.
I ate a piece of grass.
You heard it here first on the Easy Austin channel. Debs eats grass.
No, I don't. I ate a piece of grass.
Who ate a piece of
You
grass?
make it seem like I eat it every day.
I just hope you
I
weren't
don't.
in the cow fields over there going,
I would have been sick.
when they come to eat her grass, moo.
It's your grass.
So how's the grass?
And corny corn.
How's your grass?
It tastes like grass.
See, back then she said, I would never eat lettuce because it tastes like grass. And look, I don't taste like grass.
It
That's
does.
what she's been saying. Where the hell have you been? Grass?
Mommy, did you
Grass
touch
is different.
Did you touch my friend?
It smells like it. Did I put too much salt on this steak? I don't know.
Salty spittoon, how tough are you?
How did you season this?
Like I always season my stuff, girl. Onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, cumin.
I was about to say, you cook cumin, it tastes like cumin.
Maybe.
Okay, Jeanette, when you season your meat, don't you smell that flavor when you smell it? Do you like it? When you season your meat, right?
When the meat's raw.
When the meat is raw, you season the meat and you smell all that herb. Do you like smelling all those herbs or no?
I like it.
Yeah, right? Because she said,
Sure that is.
But like
What
when
is
it's
it?
raw, do
It
you go,
smells bad.
that smells so good.
Not the raw meat.
the flavor to
flavor
it. Exactly.
added to it, the seasoning added to it.
Wow.
You
She's
think
like,
Deb's
I don't
always
smell
gonna fight
anything. It
about
smells
something.
bad. I'm like, no, it doesn't.
Bro, I be walking in
You
the-
have to know exactly what you're putting
Bro,
in
I
your
be
food.
walking into the kitchen thinking it's cooked meat.
Right, and it's
Exactly.
not.
Right?
It's because I seasoned it.
When
Exactly.
it's cooked, it smells
She's like,
good.
oh, I don't like the smell of it. I'm like, I don't know why. I like it when it's already cooked, and I'm like, no. You have to smell when you season your food. You have to smell all this
I
nice
do
herbs.
smell it, but because I know it's raw, it's not attractive to me.
Well, it is attractive to me.
They eat raw meat.
I'm not eating raw meat. Oh my god.
Focus,
Oh my
focus.
god. And this is the reason why I don't come sometimes. It drives me crazy.
And this is why Arturo has the phrase, let's get back to the game.
You know, one time my mom was like, you're going outside today. We went outside, we heard people fighting outside.
Are you serious?
And there was this girl pushing this guy. I was like, see, we go outside and
She
look
wants
what
to get
happens.
smacked, that's what it is.
Me?
Oh, the girl
Lay
pushing
it
the
the
guy.
smack is down.
I would have yelled like Rodney King and said, can't we all just get along? I should bring that shirt back. Can we all just get along? And ain't nobody got time for that.
This is really good. The chicken, the beef.
Where's the beef?
Oh, I have another one. It's like,
Have you ever barbecued? Barbecued? Not for barbecue, but put the corn in the barbecue.
Oh, corn
Yeah,
on cob,
I
not
think I
loose
remember.
corn.
No, loose corn, just loose corn.
It was full all over the place. Why?
You wouldn't if you would have put it in the aluminum foil and put some oil and
Have you
garlic.
guys
She already had it in
Have
the
you guys
thing.
ever heard of the hold up, wait a minute full interview?
Hold up. Wait. No. Who
Why?
that? What if I wear my hair like this, guys? What do you think? It's too hot for me to wear my hair like this. I cooked it too much. I think I should have left it a little slight, you know.
Yeah, it come out. Really soft. Marcella needs to get a new refrigerator because your refrigerator's ice is the bomb. She needs to get a refrigerator just like that. I'm
She
just
wants me to
kidding.
spend $2,000 on a refrigerator just for ice.
Well, she has to. You know why? Because it's leaking water.
Still, that's either that got to get fixed or.
But she never goes in the fridge to break up the ice that's
Yeah,
building up,
but
that's
it
causing it
shouldn't
to
do
do. No,
that,
I know,
though.
but still, she
I
doesn't
told her
help
so I
out.
keep. You know, like the floor will be wet and the kids won't even mop the damn floor tonight.
Because that's not their job. They don't look at it that
Yeah,
way.
exactly. If there's a piece of paper on the floor, they'll walk back.
What
Oh,
you
piece of
do?
paper, that's nice.
What you do is when one of them busts their ass, you start, ah, and you laugh.
You should be mopping the damn floor. I can't eat this whole thing. I'm already full.
She's having so much fun with her drumstick. She was playing with it because there's a string hanging off of it. Look at that.
I'm not gonna eat the skin.
Didn't Grandma tell you not to play with your food?
Yeah, not my grandma, your grandma. I got black shit in my teeth. Remix. Tu amor me hace bien. Tu amor me desarma. Ay, tu amor me controla.
Hey,
Shut up!
I know she's
That's messed
annoying.
up.
We both said shut up at the same time.
That's messed up.
Because she does it to be annoying.
Yeah, she does.
Like we'll be talking Spanish and she'll start going, and we'll be like, shut up.
I mean, it's funny sometimes, but sometimes you just want to smack her.
See? I ate it up.
stripped it to the bone.
It's a miracle you don't eat the freaking bone.
Hey, we should eat a whole chicken one day and clean all the bones real good and then rebuild the skeleton. What do you think?
They have model kits for that. Better than dealing with nasty ass I just ate it.
Thank you.
No, because you can wash it, let it dry, and then build it back together and then take it to your teacher and say, here's my science project.
That's so nasty.
Say, here's my...
So I had dinner last night and I decided to
You
build
say,
this.
here's my prehistoric dinosaur.
She'll be like,
It's called chicken.
no, don't want to take that, but you'll get $100 though.
Postmaster be like, look what I did.
We're gonna have a parent-teacher conference after class.
Exactly.
No, don't record me. I got black stuff on my teeth.
I'm gonna take it out. There's this magical thing called editing.
Pigeon it.
Then edit that.
I'm taking that out, definitely.
Look at that. He goes, there's a magical thing called editing. And I went,
You didn't have to do that. You know I'm a smart ass sometimes. You just gotta smack him upside the head once in a while.
I told her I want to start meeting up with the bikers. You know, I was coming from work yesterday and I saw a whole gang close to the barbershop over there. Well, one plaza over, they were all lined up, but I didn't know them. But I heard every Thursday at the Ace Cafe in Orlando. Do you know where that is?
Yeah.
They gather up there.
Oh, okay.
And then from there they go for a ride. So last week my coworker didn't go, but this Thursday he's probably gonna go. And I just gotta tell her, baby, watch the kids, I'll be back.
I've been watching the kids.
Or sometimes, if we're not gonna be gone that long, I'll tell her, okay, Jada, watch them, we're out. Did you see Bad Bunny? He dresses up like a woman. Yeah. Yeah, he did a video as a girl. Who else dressed up like a woman?
Because of that girl that they killed in
Just,
Puerto Rico?
the transgender. Yeah.
And just Cryptic dressed up like a girl too. He made a fake Lion coming out video. Cause she's a cranky ass.
Hi.
She's evil, people, evil, I tell you.
Just because I took the middle finger off, I'm evil now?
No, you evil cause you're yelling at me 24 hours, 7 days a week.
No, I'm not!
Wow, now she called me a damn freaking. Look, a hoe is just a garden tool, okay? A is a female dog, but I am not a dog.
You know, I was really not calling you a
What?
I hear the ice cream man.
Man, the ice cream.
The ice cream man.
Yeah.
It's a conspiracy.
Because the ice cream truck passes all the time and nobody's there. Nobody's outside to get anything. Like, move! Just get the hell out of here.
On our block, they run outside. She loves the coconut.
They have the coconut one. Yeah, icy. Yeah, they do. That's the only thing I like. And for some reason, it's the neighbor across the street who fixes the car. No,
Every time I'm in the
He
house and I
fixed
hear
her
the ice
truck.
cream jump, I'm like, oh, pissed off.
He fixed her truck
I
when
wish
it broke down.
we had the real one, like Mr. Softies. Oh my God.
It's like every
We should
day
start
now.
that
It's like
business.
not-
All we gotta do is buy the truck and start circling the damn block.
Here in Florida. Oh my
Oh, wow,
God.
you can do it. Ra-ta-ta-ta.